Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, Painted Imagination. I just wanted to send out a big thank you so much for everybody who has been watching and subscribing. I really appreciate you. And stay tuned because I have a lot more to show you. I will be posting every Wednesday and Saturday, so keep an eye out for that. And subscribe, hit that notification button so you can see all that I create. In this video, I will be doing another pop art style makeup. This one is inspired by Madonna. And that's it. So let's get started. Enjoy! Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back and thank you for watching. Alright, so we're doing another pop art style makeup. If you would like to see my first pop art style makeup, I will put a link in the video right here and in the description as well. It's more of a male character and this one's more of a female character, so you can see both sides. Alright, so just like the first one, we're starting off with the geometric shapes with the lighter colors first, and then later we'll move on to the darker colors. Just making sure that everything is nice and sharp and not bleeding or blending into the other colors. I'm using a reference photo here and I'm trying to recreate all the shapes that are in the photo. But later on in the video, I do just start to make it up as I go and improvise because some of the shapes are not the same and my face is a different shape. So I got real creative and had a lot of fun just making it up. And now we're starting the darker colors. You can see I moved on to the orange and it's more on the outside of the face. And then I move on to a blue and a dark magenta and a purple, and those will start to define the face. And once I move on to the black, that's when you will start to see everything come together. Alright, at this point we're just filling in all the empty spaces, creating shapes and colors where we think that they fit the best. And then moving on to the black, we're going to start to outline our features. Outline the eyes, making sure you line the upper and lower waterline, and make yourself some nice eyebrows. And we're going to make a cut crease with the black as well. Adding her birthmark, we're going to move on to outlining the whole face, making sure we create a nice sharp cheekbone and jawline. After you outlined everything, we're going to move on to the neck and chest. I made a dark area underneath the chin and made my shoulders a little thinner and just filled in the neck. I'm totally improvising here, and I just made up all my shapes and colors where I thought that they worked out the best. And I'm just going to kind of merge my face into the hair with the black, and that will be the final look. Alright guys, so this is another pop art makeup transformation. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, like this video, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. Thank you. Bye.